Hi everyone, so I'm back to do my little Friday thing that I'm going to be doing, which is I'm going to use 5 items to decorate something. So my 5 items are these. I've pulled it out of, well, I've got all this scraps, okay, a big tub full of all sorts of stuff and got a bit of fabric stuck in here. I just pulled out 5 things. I wasn't particularly worried about what they are. I've even got this from my leftover pieces from my journals. I've got quite a few of these full of scraps, so I should never have a problem doing a 5 item challenge anyway. Right, I'm not including the tag in the 5 items. I'm just pulling out 5 items and then I'm just going to decorate. So I just thought I like that label. I love a ticket. These labels are from Tracie Fox, and the ticket and that is ARTYmaze. That's Tracie Fox. That's ARTYmaze. Possibly ARTYmaze, possibly no, that is ARTYmaze. That's from her new tag galore kit. Excuse me, I'm still all bunged up with a cold, but I feel perfectly fine. Absolutely fine. Just all the remnants of having a bug. I don't even know if it was a cold, because like I didn't know, I haven't had a sneezy, like a snotty nose or anything like that. I just feel bunged up. But anyway, okay, this is going to be a really quick video. So I'm just going to use all this and I'm just going to layer it all. And we just put that on there. So this is your chance to join in. Just grab 5 items and just play around. You could use an old piece of, like, I've got loads of tags floating around, but what else have I got? You know, just when you've got a little bit of paper left, just tear a bit off. You could use an index card, a bit of scrapbooking paper, you know, the list goes on, you know, for your base. You know, book pages, and then just pull out 5 items. That's what I'm going to be doing. We shall put that on there. Don't know where I'm going with this, because that's going to look a bit stupid that way. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to have a very layered tag. So in the description box below you will find links to all the people's Etsy shop. Go over and take a peek. I've obviously printed that on the back of something. What it was, I know what this was. I had done a little kit thing ages ago, and instead of printing out the actual kit, I printed out the shop photographs instead. So I thought I'll keep that, and I will print on the other side and like back it with things. So we're just gonna rub a little bit of that there. So I'm gonna try and get I've done good so far the last 2 weeks. I've had a video out 3 times a week. Shall we put that there? Embrace. Monday, Wednesday and Fridays. I'm gonna have a video out. I did actually write down. So Fridays I'm gonna do the 5 item thing. And just trying to find my notebook, because I wrote things down. What did I write down? So Mondays I'm going to do a Pinterest inspired project. Wednesdays I'm going to do a tag, even though that's a tag, or a journal card. And then Fridays I'm going to do 5 item project, but this isn't always going to be a tag. So I did see a minute ago a little bit of dad paper. Do you know, I still haven't got a glue stick. Yeah, I still haven't got a glue. I still haven't really been out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this around the edge. And right, that's got, oh, it's got a nice shimmer on that. So I use up like old bank cards and things just to smish it down. Now these are the kind of things that you could possibly set and mass make as well. You could just pull out all your scrappy pieces, bundle things into little fives, little bunches of fives, and find bases to put them onto, like tags or journal cards or postcards or index cards or any of the other things that I mentioned earlier. And you could sit and do that whilst you're watching YouTube videos or listen to music or talk to your friends. Skype. Who does Skype? Who uses Skype anymore? FaceTime. Or even just switch on the camera and do some videos of what you're making. So there we go. That's my little 5-item make. I'm gonna just, even though it's not in my 5 items, but I have to put a tab on there. Just found a piece of, how's that, of a scrappy box. So yeah, like I said, there's loads of things linked below. Check out my coffee shop for freebies, digitals, journals, book page bundles, and anything else that I might have for sale on there. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna have to top that. I could have took the word away and used that instead, but yeah, I'm not gonna. That's my little 5 things, and that's my tag. So I hope that was helpful. Join me next Friday for another one, and join me Monday for a Pinterest inspired project, and Tuesday for a tag, not Tuesday, Wednesday for a tag, and then all my other videos in between. I would love it if you gave me the thumbs up. It will help with the algorithm, and if you'd love to, I'd love it if you left a comment as well. And yeah, so I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.